Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming essentials. Your bank KYC must be linked and active, and the settlement cycle for F&O positions completed so the amount is withdrawable. Once done, open the Groww app and navigate to Profile, then Funds, then Withdraw. You will see your withdrawable balance and recent settlements. Check those numbers carefully because only settled proceeds can move out. If you have pending margins or open positions, make sure you square them before attempting withdrawal to avoid rejections. You now enter the precise withdrawal amount. Type the number rather than using approximate sliders to avoid errors. Next, select the linked bank account you want credited and verify the account details on screen. When you tap Confirm, expect an OTP or UPI/MFA authorization. Complete that promptly to authenticate the transfer. Make sure you read any indicated charges and the expected transfer timeline. Groww typically uses NEFT/IMP/RTGS, depending on amount. Once the withdrawal is submitted, save the transaction ID and monitor your bank statement for the posted amount within the indicated window. If the transfer fails or is pending unusually long, capture screenshots of error messages and the transaction summary. Then contact Groww support with that information. If the issue is settlement-related, like F&O funds locked due to T+1/T+2 processing, allow 24 to 48 hours before escalating. One key tip: a mismatch in PAN or bank details often causes rejections, so double-check those before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.